Hi guys, your wellness buddy Dr. Poonam Bali, sharing some fun ideas with you, talking about food, very important part of our day-to-day life for nourishment and also to have the balanced food which can keep us in a shapely desired body. So I had shared about fasting in one of my earlier videos, semi-fasting, a few hours of food window and few hours of non-food window. So if you practice that, then you can really have every food that you wish for. All your fetish, your fancy, your favorite, even desserts you can have in this food window, which is about 8 hours. 8 hours is like 16 hours fasting and 8 hours of food window. So if you want to have desserts, for instance, of course you can't just go on and gorge on Indian mithais, which is really saturated bad fat. It's bad cholesterol. So we want to have the sweet tooth fed and have something light, which is nourishing, which is good value for food, and it's at the same time something that you desire. So personally, I don't have a big sweet tooth, luckily, but I do like to have a taste of meetha, at times. So usme I like rasgullas, and chikki, gud ka chikki, and I like gud ka sandesh. So with my health consciousness, I probably developed a liking for these desserts also because knowing the contents in it, which is proteins. Rasgulla, chikki, which is either peanuts or dry fruits, and sandesh is all paneer. So paneer is proteins. So you get proteins and your meetha for the taste. So today I am going to tell you about rasagullas, which is a favorite of most of us. And most of us are foodies, barring a few who don't relate to food. I've heard a friend telling me that when I eat food, my mouth mein dard hota hai, so isliye main khana nahi khata. So I really laughed. Said, how can it be possible that someone is not interested in food? So talking about rasagullas, one rasagulla, Gopala is a famous brand, and they have the best ones. And they have the kam meethe wala, gud wala, and the normal ones. So one rasagulla is 106 calories, which is not very much in comparison to if it was a laddu or a barfi or something, which will be like 300-400 calories. So rasgulla is 106 calories, and if you squeeze it, so I'm going to show you, this is a bowl of 3 rasagullas, which is, let's say, 318 calories. So if I want to have all 3, I can reduce it to half, which is 156 calories. Okay, 156 calories is just equivalent to maybe 2 or 3 chapatis. So you take your rasagulla, which is just paneer, and there is some sugar in it. This one is not the gudwala. I wanted gudwala, but it was not in stock. So squeeze out all the, of course after washing your hands, squeeze out all the syrup, and you just are left with a nice fluffy light paneer rasagulla. And you have it, it's so delicious and so yum in your mouth, and it's so light. Normally I don't eat after sunset, but if I've ever felt like having something meetha and something small, and I had rasgullas in my fridge, I've had them and I've gone to sleep like after 1 or 2 hours, you don't feel like anything. So it's like, probably in this, what is left now is about 50 calories, and out of that probably 25% is air. So you're really left with nothing. So you can have your favorite rasagullas. They're so good and so light. It can't be better. And I will not just have one bite like most of our celebrities on YouTube do. They probably have a big plate of sweets in front of whatever they want to have, and they just take a bite and then they close. But I'm going to have all the 3. If I had the length of the video, I'll show it to you. And I also sometimes replace it with the meal. Instead of having a full khana, you can have your little something, some sabji or some soup, and you can have your rasagullas or whatever else is your, barring the saturated Indian mithais, which are full of ghee or oil or sugar or maida or whatnot. If it is protein based or nuts based, jaggery sweet, you can have it like 100 grams, 200 grams, once a week even. Of course not every day, I don't eat it every day. So you can have your dessert and still be shapely. I'm 56 kilos at 5 feet in height, 5 feet 5 inch height. within my normal weight, and I can have this, like I often have it like once in a week, or 2-3 times a month, and do away with your fetish, because if you deprive yourself, then you end up eating wrong things. So it's better to have what you like, what's close to your heart, and the taste in your tongue, which keeps reminding you want to have that, you want to have that. If you want to have ice cream, for instance, you can have half a scoop. Don't have a whole serving of it. So please enjoy your favorite foods and still remain healthy. Make the right choices, which are based on proteins or jaggery or honey, or dry fruits as a sweet base, and don't have the maida sweets, like cakes made with maida. You can have them made at home with your oatmeal and honey or jaggery and ghee or olive oil, and you can put lots of dry fruits and fresh fruits in it, and you can make your cake and have it. So on that note, have a lovely day, lots of love, lots of sweetness to you. Stay smiling and feed your mind, feed your tongue, and feed your body with the right foods. Okay, bye bye.